Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review spray bottle. This is Gubb hair spray bottle for hair salon and home. Price is 149 rupees and this product is available on Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon. This is non-sponsored video. Let's see the features. Dispenses a fine mist to dampen the hair or skin. Can be used while ironing clothes, gardening, cleaning, etc. Made from high quality, durable and lightweight plastic. Mist spray pattern covers the large areas quickly and evenly. Tight nozzle prevents the leakage. This is made in China product. Let's see how to use. Hold the spray bottle at least 12 inches away. Then spray continuously. Here is my review. Quality of the bottle is really good. Looks very cute. So easy to use, especially spraying on the hair is not remain tough job. Can do home remedies like hair serum, face toner. While cutting hairs, it's useful. It's look exactly same as they have shown on the Nykaa page. Good quality of plastic used. Very handy. And that's my review. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.